The Lexus GX is a luxurious SUV that provides plenty of hauling functionality with its third-row seating, but also the capability to take off-road. The GX lets you ride in style while still providing you with plenty of versatility. This vehicle has less than 5,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, tire pressure monitor, blind spot monitor, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, remote engine start, brake assist, traction control, stability control. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.
Only the best pre-owned Lexus vehicles qualify for the Lexus Certified Pre-Owned program. Warranty, roadside assistance, and an intense quality assurance inspection provide you total peace of mind. Ask your dealer for details about the Lexus Certified Pre-Owned program.